Good morning. I hope you're all excited. On the screen, can you see Red Fox and Tiffany? I hope you can all see Red Fox and Tiffany. So today, Red Fox and Tiffany are going to make a pizza. And we are all going to find out how. Do you all like pizza?
Mama,
I think all of you like pizza. So today we are going to see
Yes, I
how
like
Red
pizza.
Fox and Tiffany are going to make a pizza. Okay, and then we are also going to learn new words. Nobody asked me for my name. My name is Sanchana. Okay, so later on I'll ask you what my name is and you should all remember. Okay, my name is Sanchana and I'm going to tell you a story on how Tiffany and Red Fox make pizza. Okay, so first I'll show you a video. Okay, are you all excited? Now listen to Tiffany and Red Fox, okay?
Tiffany, I have always wanted to make and cook pizza. Can you help me?
I have never made pizza before, Red Fox. We can learn how to make it together. What ingredients do we need?
To make pizza, we need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and the foods that go on top of the pizza. Vegetables, chicken, beef, pork, or even pineapple.
The foods that go on top of the pizza are called toppings. What toppings do you like on your pizza, Red Fox?
I like chicken on my pizza. Can we add chicken, please?
Yes, we can add that. I like chicken on my pizza too.
What about vegetables like peppers and sweet corn?
I like peppers, but I do not like sweet corn.
Okay, we can add peppers, but not too many because then it
Children, did you all listen to Red Fox and Tiffany? Yes, you all listen to them?
Yes.
Okay, I will play the video for you again. But before that, we are going to, once read the story. Okay? I will read it and you will all listen. Can you see this, children?
Yes.
You can all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so making pizza with do you all like pizzas? Do you all like pizzas, children?
Yes.
Yes. So today, Red Fox and Tiffany are
Earphone.
So today, Tiffany and Red Fox are making a pizza. Tiffany, Red Fox is saying, Tiffany, I have always wanted to make and cook pizza. Can you help me? So Tiffany is saying, I have never made pizza before, Red Fox. We can learn how to make it together. What ingredients do we need? What are ingredients, children? Do you all know what are ingredients?
Ma'am.
Ingredients are something.
Ingredients are the materials that we need to make.
Yes, exactly. Ingredients are the materials that we need to make something. So, Tiffany and Red Fox are discussing what ingredients they need. So, Red Fox is saying, to make pizza, we need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and the foods that go on top of the pizza. Vegetables, chicken, beef, pork, or even pineapple. Have you ever eaten pizza with pineapple, children?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, we should try that sometime. So what are the ingredients that are required to make pizza? We require pizza dough, then we require tomato sauce, we need cheese, and then we need food that goes on top of the pizza like vegetables, chicken, beef, pork, or even pineapple, whatever you like. Children, can you all just unmute yourself and can you all just mute yourself and unmute only when you're speaking? Thank you. So Tiffany is saying the food that goes on top of the pizza are called toppings. What are toppings, children? The food that goes on top of the pizza are called toppings. What toppings do you? What toppings do you like, children? What toppings do you like? Can somebody tell me what toppings you like? Yes. Children, please stop scribbling no on the screen. Yes. So the things that go on top of the pizza are called toppings. So what toppings do you like on your pizza, Red Fox? Tiffany is asking. So Red Fox says, I like chicken on my pizza. Can we add chicken, please? So Red Fox's favorite toppings are chicken. So Red Fox is asking Tiffany if we can add chicken on the pizza. And Tiffany is saying, yes, we can add that. I like chicken on my pizza too. Do you all like chicken? For those who eat non-veg? So we can add even chicken on our pizza, or we can add whatever vegetables you like. Okay? Then what happens? Then Red Fox says, what about vegetables like peppers and sweet corn? Are peppers spicy or are they sweet, children? How do peppers taste? Spicy, no? They're very spicy. They make you go.
Spicy.
Yes. And how does sweet corn taste? Is it sweet?
Sweet.
Yes. Sweet corn tastes sweet. So Tiffany says, I like peppers, but I do not like sweet corn. So Tiffany likes spicy things. She doesn't like sweet things. So after that, Red Fox says, okay, we can add peppers, but not too many because then it might be too spicy. So they don't want their pizza to be very spicy. So they add only a few peppers. Then Tiffany says, okay, we can add a few peppers. Let's start cooking. After that, they're going to start cooking. Okay. So shall we play the video once again?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's play the video once again. Can you hear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Tiffany, I have always wanted to make and cook pizza. Can you help me?
Children, can you hear?
Yes.
Ma'am, voice is too low.
Ma'am, voice is too
I have
low.
never made pizza before. Red Fox. We can learn how to make it together. What ingredients do we need?
To make pizza, we need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and the foods that go on top of the pizza. Vegetables, chicken, beef, pork, or even pineapple.
The foods that go on top of the pizza are called toppings. What toppings do you like on your pizza, Red Fox?
I like chicken on my pizza. Can we add chicken, please?
Yes, we can add that. I like chicken on my pizza too.
What about vegetables, like peppers and sweet corn?
I like peppers, but I do not like sweet corn.
Okay, we can add peppers, but not too many because then it might be too spicy.
Okay, we can only add a few peppers. Let's start cooking.
I will play this video again. After that, I will ask questions one last time. Okay? And this time, I want you all to pay attention. Just a second, children. So once more, I'll play this for you and then I'll ask you questions and all of you will answer. Okay? So pay attention. Okay, children. Okay. Yes, hello children once again. Now for those for whom the audio was not very clear, I'm very sorry if there's a mistake from my side. I will see that I'm able to, make the audio better next time. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to ask questions and you will all answer me. Okay? So, who wants to eat pizza here? Who's feeling like eating pizza?
Tiffany.
Yes, wonderful, superb. Red
I
Fox.
like pizza, ma'am.
Yes, we all like pizza. Very nice.
Fox.
Yes, Red Fox is feeling like eating pizza. What are the things that you can put on top of the pizza?
Ketchup and tomato sauce. Ketchup, tomato sauce, and some tomato.
Okay, what is the fruit that you can put on top of the pizza?
Pineapple.
Very
Fruits
good.
and
Superb.
vegetables.
Very nice. What are toppings, children?
That we add on the pizza.
Very good. Superb. That's so nice. And then what are ingredients? Who can tell me what are ingredients?
Ingredients are the material that we need to make some
Yes.
chicken.
Yes, ingredients are the things that we need to make something. Okay, what is Red Fox's favorite topping?
Chicken.
Yes, very good. And what toppings does, what vegetable toppings does Tiffany not like?
Sweet
Sweet corn. Yes, Tiffany does not like sweet corn. And peppers are sweet or spicy? How does peppers taste? Spicy. Do you all like sweet food or spicy food? Both. Sweet, spicy, everything. There's such a lot of mixture here. Wow, that is so nice. So do you think that Red Fox and Tiffany's pizza will taste yummy?
Yes.
Yes. And then we'll also go and share pizza with them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes, superb. So, we listened to a story on how Red Fox and Tiffany started making pizza. Okay, and then in further weeks, that is next week, we listen to another story with Red Fox. Are you all excited about that?
Yes.
Yes, superb. So, few more questions. What are the two vegetables that they put on top of the pizza?
Peppers and sweet corn.
Peppers and sweet corn. Very good. Peppers and sweet corn.
And pineapple.
Pineapple. Yes, pineapple also. And what are the other things? What are all the meat that they put on top of the pizza?
Chicken, corn, chicken, and meat.
Yes. Super. Very nice. And what do you require? Do you require pizza dough to make pizza?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You require pizza dough, no? Okay. And where do you make a pizza, children? Do we make it in an oven?
Yes. Yes.
We make pizza in an oven, no? Okay.
And we make pizza in the microwave.
Yes, in a microwave oven. Yes, that's correct, Sarah. Very good. Okay. So now I am going to ask all of you what your favorite toppings are one by one, and everybody will tell me. Okay? Okay, let's see. Now, first I will read out your names from the screen and you can answer, okay? First, let's see. Yes, Sarah, what is your favorite topping?
I like tomatoes, corn.
Wow,
And
that's
cheese.
nice. And what?
Only these three.
Tomatoes, corn, and
Cheese and sauce.
cheese. Okay, super. Very nice, Sarah. Okay. Meat. Meat.
Ma'am, I like
Yes, you like
cheese and capsicum.
capsicum. Wow, that's nice.
I like triple cheese, capsicum, and tomato.
Very nice meat. Good. Okay. Now let's ask Brian. Brian, what toppings do you like?
Olives, jalapenos, paneer, capsicum, onion.
Wow, very nice. And what does your sister like? Do you like pizza?
Only cheese.
Only cheese. Okay, that's nice enough. Thank you. Inaya, what toppings do you like?
I like cheese, tomato,
Tomatoes, then
ketchup,
ketchup.
onion, and
Okay.
paneer.
Wow, nice, Inaya. Good. Thank you. Okay. How about Vinita? Vinita, are you there? Okay. Ritu? Ritu is also not there. Sangeeta?
Yeah, I like to eat only cheese pizza.
Oh, you like only cheese pizza. Nice. How about Jasmeet?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm myself Ritu.
Yes, Ritu. Tell me.
I like cheese, vegetables, capsicum, onion.
Very nice, Ritu. Good. And how about Jasmeet?
Yeah, I like vegetable pizza, full of vegetables, corns, cheese, jalapenos, olives, everything.
Very healthy.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you,
What
ma'am.
pizza does Poonam like? Poonam?
Hello, Hanji. I like full of vegetables, cheese, corns, jalapeno,
Okay,
full of
that's nice. Thank you. And what pizza does Deepali like? What are the topics do you like, Deepali? Okay. Aryan, what are the toppings that you like? Okay. Sapna?
Yeah, I like all the vegetables like capsicum, small pieces of carrot, and yes, olives, and some pieces of chicken also.
Okay, nice. Superb. Subhashini, what are your favorite toppings?
Yeah, I being a vegetarian, I would like to have all the green vegetables on top of it, the onions, the capsicums, the corns, and of course, cheese. And
Very
I would love
nice.
to have it.
Superb. Good. And
Thank
how about Riyansh? What is your favorite topping?
Tomato sauce and tomato and sweet corn.
Very nice, Riyansh. Good. Okay. Is there anybody pending who would like to answer? Okay, we have Vidhi. Vidhi, what are your favorite toppings? Okay. Now, children, we have a Red Fox Education app. Okay. You can find this app in Play Store and in App Store. And I will give you the link of the app in the chat box. Okay. When you download this app, there will be a lot of free material. Okay. You can find tongue twisters, and then you can find different short videos. Excuse me. Then you can find, there is a lot of phonics lessons. Then what else? You can find a lot of quiz. Okay. So these are the different things that you can find on our app. You will also find flashcards and ebooks also. You can all go through this. You can read this and have a lot of fun. Okay. And we also have online classes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you didn't call my name. I'm Vinita.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Vinita. Yes, you tell me your favorite toppings, Vinita.
Well, I like just the cheesy corn pizza, no toppings.
That's nice, but corn is healthy, so good.
Thank you.
Okay. So now, like I was saying, we also have online classes, and in the online classes you can learn both phonics, and there's also a lot of fun activities. Okay, you can learn to speak better, and you can learn to write better. There are a lot of fun things. Okay, our English courses are so much fun that you will not even know when you're learning to become perfect. Okay, so you can subscribe for our online classes, and you can also download our app, and in our app, like I said, you will find a lot of free material. So are you all excited to go and check out the app? You can find a lot of videos on Red Fox and Tiffany. Okay, you can see them speaking to each other, and then also stay in touch, so that for all the other webinars, storytelling webinars, you can come and together we can see what Red Fox and Tiffany are doing. Okay, excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Until then, download the app and check out our online classes. Okay. Okay, so then see you for our next webinar, next storytelling session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. It was so nice spending time with all of you.
Thank you,
I'll see you
ma'am.
next week.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.
You're welcome. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you so
Hoping
much,
to meet
ma'am.
you soon.
It was
Yes,
a
we'll meet.
nice
I'll meet you
For a
all
nice
soon.
session. Wonderful session.
Thank you. Bye bye. Does anybody have any doubts? Okay. Bye bye.